Happy Diwali! Hope you enjoyed watching the part 1 Diwali sweet recipe. If you haven't watched it yet, you may click on the I button above to watch it. This is the part 2 Diwali sweet recipe video, which is nutritious too, like part 1 recipe. So let's begin. Hope you enjoyed watching. Every time when we wish somebody for Diwali, we wish good health and prosperity. I hope this time these recipes will help you make and share good health. The sweet recipes that I have shared here are obviously nutrient dense. Comes under healthy choices which we can make. Lower on calories than other sweets which are deep fried, have added excessive ghee, mawa, khoya, etc. But sometimes knowing that something is healthy, we overburden ourselves. So here is a suggestion. Always focus on quantity of any food rather than overburdening yourself. If you can understand about the quantities of food your body requires, talk to a qualified dietitian who can help you know your requirement and do justice to yourself. So see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you and happy Diwali.